A LinkedIn account? For me? Whoa, look at those connections! Time to network! Yes, move the bananas to Asia. Quarterly profits.
You work 9-5, I work chaos. You don't even know how to read. I outsource.
And I'll do it again.